Learn how to disable background apps on Windows 11 in easy steps. Let's just get right into it. The first method is to right click on this your Windows logo key, which you can call Start, okay? Then after that, select Installed Apps. This will take you to this part of the settings page, all right? So you may need to get to each of these apps to turn down the background app running, okay? But it doesn't work in all the apps here on your PC, okay? So let's say I want to work with this CapCut. I'll click on these three dots. It doesn't have the option I want to use. Then I'll get to this Copilot. I'll click on the three dots here and then I'll select advanced options. So this has what I want to turn off, okay? Then you can see here, let app run in background. Click on this drop down and select never. All right. So which after you go back, okay, or check other applications. So from there, you can turn off those apps from running at the background. Okay. Then let's talk about the second method. The second method is right clicking on this start button and select task manager. When you select this task manager, you see some apps that are running on your PC at that point in time that run at the background. You can see background processes. So you may need to get to one of them that you don't want to have it run on the background. Okay, you click on the app. Once you click on it and it's selected, click on end task. So you may need to do this on as many of these as listed here, okay? But please don't turn off the important vital apps at the background, okay? Those ones that do a lot of, positive work on the system. And that's all. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, which goes across so many areas. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Thank you and see you some other time.